In the video today, we're going to look at the pronunciation of this word here. I am going to break it down for you. I am going to talk you through it step by step. So the first sound of this word is g, g, g. We go into a nurse vowel, we call this. G, g. You can see for that vowel that my lips are really relaxed. It's a really relaxed sound, this one. G, g. And then we have the R sound. No, except we don't, because in a British English accent, we don't really pronounce an R after a vowel, not in most standard British English accents. So we're going to drop that, and then we're going to go straight into the L sound, which is an L made at the back of the mouth. So all, girl, girl, girl. Not easy, I know, keep practicing.